if you're trying to convert a 2015 to a 2019 Ford F-150 or 250 driver's seat from manual to power, here are a few considerations to consider. The seat frame is exactly the same. The bolt patterns are both the same, identical. They'll bolt in the same hole. It's not an issue at all. They're 4 13mm nut bolts that take out and to take the seat out. Sometimes you're going to have to take the seat loose and fold it up to unplug this plug to see if you have the power in this plug for your seat. That's the biggest consideration to understand when you're doing this. We've pointed to these. This plug underneath the bottom that we've added in a little video of how to disconnect it is the important thing. If you've got the two connectors inside this, that's a power, is the main thing. As long as this seat is a power cloth, you're fine. If it's a power leather, that's a totally different plug system. Definitely won't work. Not easy to make work, but it is doable. But this video does not cover that. Just wanted to make you aware of how to do the cloth version. If you're trying to disconnect this plug, you've got to push right in the middle and fold that lever out. Push in the middle, fold the lever out, and in reverse the same. It comes out when you're going back, push it in, snap till you hear that familiar click.